call me 𝐿𝐻𝐿𝐲. Space so fully able to show you that I'm really better than.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with Reshine Hair. Reshine Hair sent me over this highlighted wig. I have multiple wig videos with this kind of hair, but I've never collaborated with Reshine with this hair. So I decided to test them out, and the lace is super duper nice. So it's melted, and this is not even an HD lace, so they did a really good job constructing this wig. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, I will have the information in my description box. So make sure you guys check my description box. This is their 13x4 lace. So you can part it, and it goes right here. I do sound sick because I am sick. I've literally been filming this video for like 5 days now. No joke. And I'm so irritated, but today is the final day. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, how I installed the wig and got this look, stay tuned to this video, and I will have all the links in my description box if you guys are interested. So don't forget to check my description box for all the information and specs on this hair. Super duper pretty. I've literally been wearing it just like normal, and it's working pretty good. So yeah, you can see the lace is really blended and melted. Even though I did remove it and put it back on, it's looking cute. Yeah, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so the first thing that I do is put edge control. You have to do this because all your edges is going to come off if you don't do this. So you just want to apply a good amount and then use some alcohol to wipe the skin, because the edge control is going to leave some oils, so you need to get that off. I recently been trying this Evan skin protectant, and I rate it a 10 out of 10. You guys definitely need to try this out. I feel like it makes your install last a little bit longer, and you only need one layer. So after you apply it, make sure that it dries all the way down and your skin just feels normal, and then you can apply your wig. When you apply your wig, first you want to make sure that the band is not tight, because you're going to cut off the air tabs. So you're just going to measure it around your hairline and then cut right on your ear, like you're cutting a line, like an invisible line on your ear. This is important because when you put it behind your ear, it needs to be snug. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the elastic bands that's already inside the wig and tighten it. I kind of pinned the hair out of the way, and now I'm going to apply my favorite adhesive. This spray is amazing. If you have not tried it, I recommend the black bottle. I mean, I tried the other ones, but I just like this one the most. And I always apply 4 layers. The layers are so your wig lasts longer. If you don't apply 4 layers, your wig is gonna lift up, I promise you. So make sure it's tacky. Every layer needs to be tacky, and I just sped the video up so you can see like I actually apply 4 layers. Like I don't just say it and I apply like a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and stick the wig down. Once it's tacky, you want to stick it down because you don't want the adhesive to get dry and then try sticking it down, because then it's not gonna stick. And mine was a little bit wet still, so I just used a comb to try and push it down a little bit, but don't push it too hard because you don't want the adhesive to stick to the comb. And then you're gonna blow it on cool air. So you can see me clicking the cool shot button. So you want to click the cool shot, and then you're going to clip the hair up and tie it with an elastic band. Leave this tied for 15 minutes. I know it says 10 to 15 minutes, but I recommend 15 minutes, and you could blow it in between. And just wait for it to dry, and then you can remove it and cut the lace. And then I did already remove it and stuff. I don't know where that footage went, but my computer is destroyed basically. It's not working, and it deleted my vlog. Anyways, I digress. So I don't know where the footage went of me cutting down the baby hairs and stuff, but yeah. I'm gonna curl this away from my face to give it kind of like a wispy type of look. And I'm gonna curl all of them that way. I actually really love doing my edges with this because it just makes it look more natural, and I don't know, it just looks nice to me. I feel like when I swoop them just regular, it looks a little bit too harsh, and then it looks spiky, and I really don't like that. So you just want to curl it out of the way. I do link all of my products in the description box, so if you guys are interested in the products that I use, I will have them linked down below. this one is giving me a little problem. I'm trying to do the voiceover right through the video, so if you guys are hearing me talking right now, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up or comment a brown heart emoji in the comment section, and I'll see that you guys got to this part in the video. I'm using my razor comb to trim down the hair. Absolutely love this razor comb, and I am going to be using some spritz to do my edges. I use 𝐻𝐿𝐴. 𝐻𝐿𝐴 works wonders for these kind of like soft edges. If you don't want to use mousse, I recommend using 𝐻𝐿Ae, but the spritz work also because I don't have 𝐻𝐿Ae right now, so this will do. And I'm just doing 3 sets of edges. And then you should end up with this. This is basically the install part, and I just wanted to show you how quick it is for me to detangle this hair. I just spray some water in it all over, and I'm leaving this in like the full length of me doing this process, but I just sped it up a bit. And then I use this brush. This is a Tangle Teaser brush. This will literally cut your detangling time in half. I always talk about this, and I bought like 3 of them already. They're so good. The only thing I can say is my brush be falling on the floor, and sometimes it cracks and stuff, but it still works. It's so good. So I'll link it down below if you guys want to get it. And I already finished half of the head already, and now I'm on to this side. It looks kind of crazy because I did tell you I had this wig on for like 5 days. So that was just me being lazy. So I wanted to show you how easy it is for me to refresh the hair. And the hair is so freaking nice and soft. Like, you can see for yourself because I left it in real time so you guys can see. And I'm just detangling. And all I'm going to put is curling cream. I'm not even using gel today. Just curling cream. No leave-in conditioner. Just water and curling cream. And the one I use is from Shea Moisture. I'm going to show you guys in a second. And I always brush the hair back because I know when it dries, I want to be able to flip it on both sides. So yeah. And here I'm showing you the curling cream I like to use. It's the Curl Glam by Shea Moisture. I get this from TJ Maxx for like $4. So make sure you check out TJ Maxx because I know that this is kind of like expensive now. So yeah. And then I just brush it through, and it looks so freaking good. And then I use a towel to get all the excess moisture out, but as you can see, I'm scrunching the hair, so this is going to define the curls even more. So make sure you scrunch, and then try not to touch it because you don't want it to get poofy. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Reshine Hair. I will have their links in my description box below. And yes, I'm sick, but you guys see me here producing the content. My computer is not working. I literally want to cry, but we move. So yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye!